Hello treasures people, greetings to you all. Today again I share with you how to make this soft and moist cake. Really soft, super yummy and delicious. Can you see how soft it looks like? If this is what you are interested to see, make yourself comfortable and let's get right into the video. Making it, I need 8 eggs for it, and feel free to share the description box. The ingredients will be right there for you in case you are making yours. I'll go ahead and crack the egg one after the other to make sure you avoid bad egg. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I truly appreciate you all. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family so that whenever we upload again, you will be first to be notified. So the next one, I go ahead and add sugars to it. I will beat it for 4 to 5 minutes. And then I will then put it aside after 4 to 5 minutes. Please feel free to share this video. Share the video in all your platforms. And also help me to put like. And I also love to see your beautiful comments. So can you see at this point it has already doubled in size. And the colors has already changed. I'll go ahead and add a cooking oil to it. I'll beat it a little bit. I'll go ahead and add a liquid milk to it. Use any liquid milk of your choice. Feel free to share the description box. The measurement will be right there for you. I'll go ahead and add a vanilla flavors to it. I'll beat it a little bit. At this point, I am done with the wet ingredients. I'll go ahead and sieve all the dry ingredients in one bowl. I will start with the flour. I will add a pinch of salt to it. A level teaspoon of baking nutmeg. 2 sachets of a baking powder. Once I am done, I will go ahead and sieve it. Sieving it goes a long way in order for you to have a perfect result on your cake. Please go ahead, if you have not yet liked this video, go ahead and like the video. You must not wait in the video. You are done watching the video, please. That is the greatest thing you can do for me. Help me to like the video, share it. So stir it to make sure that it's well combined. So I'll go ahead and add it to the wet ingredient bowl. So I will mix it gently. I'm not using a low speed when I am doing this. When you are about to start, make sure that your oven is already on. Start with your oven. I'll go ahead and scrape the edges. So once I am done again, I will just do it for the last time, just like this. Guys, we are fully done mixing this cake. Can you see it's really super fast when making this particular cake? And this is a kind of cake that you can eat and you'd never get tired eating it. The taste, the softness, oh my god. So this is how I'm going to grill the pan. You can as well start with this when you are about to prepare for your cake. Do this and put it aside. Let this one be the first step. So once I am done, I will just take in the butter. I will just take it straight to the pans like this. Scrape all the edges. And I'm going to be baking this cake in the oven with 250-degree Fahrenheit. So I'm going to bake it for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, I'll sight a towel on it. I see that it's perfectly okay and it's dried. Can you see how it looks like? Oh my god. Even the smell of this cake alone is just too much. Use any beverage, any smoothing of your choice to wash it down. Just like what you see from the beginning of the video. It's really super yummy. Please go ahead and like, and remember to leave a comment, share the video in all your platforms. Thanks for watching. See you soon again. Bye bye.